So what is it really like to have a homestead in Oklahoma? Well, so we are a small family homestead, and chickens are one of our primary things here. Um, Aside from that, we do have some vegetables and stuff, which as you can see is all very much dead. So this is something seasonal that we do every year, and as fun as it may be, it's quite labor intensive, and let's see what it's really going to take to manage all of this during winter. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up all this dead plants and vegetables that we had out here, and you guys are welcome to come along in the journey. So these are actually hyacinth beans, and the chickens are actually waiting for them to fall, all the dried ones.